Hi guys, this is JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and I just wanted to check in with you and just let you know a little bit about me. If you've never seen me before, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum. And for the past year, I've been putting up my vegan recipes for you to try, as well as showing you little snippets of my life, a journey towards my single and my album, which is going to come out next year, also what's happening in my life. I've just come back from a gig. I was performing in Chadwell for a lovely charity called AOFAC, AOFAC, and I performed a couple of songs, including my single, which will come out next year. So as soon as I hit my house, it was freezing. I put on my gas rings, and then I had to laugh, because there's no way when I was growing up as a child that I could come into my yard and put on my gas ring semi-coil. My dad would go, "What? What's wrong with you? You put on heater, you put on fire, you're paying any bill," and I'll be in big trouble. So it made me laugh. 2020, and next year, if you're interested, I'm going to do a cookbook. I'm going to be doing more 7-day sugar-free challenges inspired by my mum, who I lost this year because of diabetes. And then we'll be doing vegetable challenges because we don't eat enough vegetables, so I'll be doing vegetable challenges with you. And of course, I'll be doing lots of recipe ideas for you. I'm not trying to make you into a vegan, but eating healthy is even better. I'll be flinging lots of recipes at you. And of course, I'm still raising those 2 boys. So, over 100 subscribers. Can you get me to 200? Every time you see my video and you go, "Oh, JB Rose, have I subscribed?" Just subscribe, guys, and get my numbers up. Now, you know, guys, if I'm sitting before you, I must do a recipe. It is cold. Coming back from my gig, the breeze was blowing right through me. I was freezing. So I'm going to make a little hot drink. I'm going to make my own little recipe of something, yeah? I've got some almond milk, which I've already made. Of course, it's got sea moss in it. Cinnamon, turmeric, and then I grated some fresh nutmeg and fresh cocoa that my niece Natalie brought from Trinidad, and I've warmed it up in a pan. This is what I'm going to go to bed with tonight. I'm just going to go like that. Woo! Just to make it bubbly, give myself a little treat, make me feel luxurious. After a lovely evening, I'm going to have this beautiful hot toddy. And I did add a little bit of agave sugar. Like and subscribe when you see me. See you next time. Stay blessed.